Beside biological processes, thermal processes also can be used in order to manage solid waste. The product from thermal processes include heat, gases, variety of oils, and also related organic compounds. Some of the processes involved are combustion, gasification, wet oxidation, steam reforming, pyrolysis, and hydrogasification. So now look at the first process, combustion. So most of the elements in solid waste are C, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and also sulfur. And from combustion, the end product are CO2, H2O, N2, and also SO2. During combustion process, calculation involved based on fundamental law, which is involve conservation of mass, conservation of energy, gas law, and also law of combining masses. In order for combustion to occur, we need to have the air requirement or the oxygen requirement, which can be calculated from the oxidation of C, H, and also S. While heat release from combustion, some of it will be stored in combustion product, and another part will be transferred by either convection, conduction, and also radiation to the incinerator wall and also incoming waste. Incineration with heat recovery can be recovered by conversion to steam. Okay, heat that is released from the incineration can be recovered back, okay, by using steam, and also can be used to preheat the combustion air, and also boiler make up water or solid waste fuel. So heat tu takkan terbazir lah, dia akan guna balik, okay, by conversion to steam. Types of incinerator, the first one is existing mass-fired incinerator, which is used without introducing excess air or moisture, and another one is water wall incinerator, which is used without introducing excess air. So this is example of incinerator. So normally incinerator also can be used to manage solid waste instead of by using the most common dekat Malaysia ni sanitary landfill. We can also use incinerator, but it is very high cost. Okay, for refuse derived fuels or RDF, this is actually the combustion combustible portion of solid waste that has been separated from the non-combustible portion. So the separation method used are shredding, screening, or air classifying. So by processing MSW, RDF containing about 12 megajoule per kg can be produced from about 50 to 58%. For gasification, it involves partial combustion of a carbonaceous fuel to generate combustible fuel gas, which is rich in CO and also hydrogen. It can be operated under a reducing condition, which is heat to sustain the process, and also combustible components of low energy. Okay, this is example of gasification equipment, large gasification equipment. Next, for thermal processes, it can be done by using wet oxidation. This is a process which organic waste being oxidized in the aqueous phase without the use of fire. So the end product will be inert residue or ash. Okay, this is wet oxidation. It uses aqueous phase. Okay, that is why we call it as wet oxidation. Next process is steam reforming, which is converted feedstock natural gas liquid gas and naphtha to CONH2. So this is need for the process depend on the desired final product. So this is example of steam reforming. Next process involved in thermal processes is pyrolysis. The solid waste to be pyrolyzed is unshredded raw materials to finely ground portion of waste. Okay, so the meaning of pyrolysis is actually the organic substances that can be split into gaseous, liquid and solid fraction in an oxygen-free atmosphere by using thermal cracking and also condensation reactions. Pyrolysis involves endothermic process, and the three major component fractions are gas, tar and also char. Okay, this is pyrolysis process. And then for solid waste, okay, the conversion product can be used either by using biological and also thermal processes. So the principal component needed is boiler to produce steam, steam and gas turbines for motive power, and also electric generator for conversion of motive power to electricity. And in order to produce electric energy, so the use of steam turbine will help in generator combination, or with the use of gas compressor and then gas turbine and then generator combination. Then it will provide electricity.